Wagwan, man. You're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a Shits and Gigs video or podcast video, and it's called How They Found Out They Got Cheated On. These guys, I don't know why, but I guess because it's a podcast, people send in funny things to them, so the stories are hilarious. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know if any of these things ever happened to you guys. We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
The thread is, what's the craziest way you found out your partner was cheating on you? And obviously, responses were...
Someone sent this to me, and I'm glad I didn't read it. I'm glad I didn't read it. But yeah, go on.
This is a tweet and a reply. His waves were her Twitter header.
That's kind of
Waves were her Twitter.
I mean, what if she was just a fan of his waves?
Header.
Yeah.
How, how pristine are these waves?
Fam? For them to be like, oh, that's James's
That's
waves.
my man.
That's James's waves. I know those waves.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
Reply, I would have shaved his head while he slept.
No, brother.
You know how long waving
Waves-
takes?
How can you? Nah, that's impossible. You
Bro.
can't clock man's waves like that.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
Also, don't ever use
OD.
my waves as your Twitter header. Don't
OD.
ever use my waves.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
care if they're banging.
Yeah.
They're mine.
So
Also,
odd.
this is a yacht.
Advertising my product.
Took a picture of next man's waves and said, this has to be my Twitter header. What kind of... How paying are these waves?
Foolishness, brother.
All right, Harry,
Foolishness.
carry on.
My study abroad roommate literally jumped out of her bed and said, something is wrong. Called her boyfriend back home in the US and said, are you cheating on me right now? This man goes, and hangs up. We panic, waiting for him to answer her calls or call back. He goes, I'm so sorry. A girl came over to work on a project and I didn't mean to, but we were hooking up when you called. My friend felt it in her stomach from Italy. Insane.
Bro, what kind of madness? What kind of sorcery is that, bro? What kind of sorcery is that? Is she from Hogwarts?
Raw.
It's a little scary.
That's impossible. I don't think that's possible.
Bro, it's
Man
not.
said, and hung up.
Yeah, why didn't you just
I'm
lie?
calling back and I'm not texting back. I'm not doing anything.
A long
Just lie.
distance thing blocked.
Yeah.
Blocked.
It's a wrap.
You live in Italy, cuz. It's a wrap. I'm not dealing with this confrontation.
No, you
There's
could have
nothing
said
you can
you
do
could have
about
lied.
that. There's literally nothing you can do.
Man
about
said,
it.
Honestly, I would have done exactly the same as him.
Yeah.
Answered the phone and be like, hello? Are you cheating on me right now?
Like, no. No.
Hang up. And that's the end of it. I'll throw my phone and carry on
Yeah,
with my
just say
thing.
no.
To be fair, I'm not heartless, so I'd have to compose myself. It would take a couple of minutes.
Don't
My
kill
thing would
me.
be like, you're right.
Yeah,
I was
she
like,
was
I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm
like,
alright.
who was that? You
Don't
seem a
worry.
bit disheveled.
Fam,
I'm
yeah,
lying
my
there.
tool shriveled
That's
up.
so
'Cause I'll be
stupid.
scared.
Yeah, you be shaking.
Yeah.
Shaking.
Rotted. Yeah,
Low-key, that would
I'm
be
not-
a
I'm not
adrenaline-
texting or nothing.
Yeah, that's
Adrenaline
hilarious.
Russian moment.
Next one. He sent me a playlist he made for me on Spotify, and it already had 5 likes.
It's kind of fucked still.
I sent her 5 things.
Bro.
I made this playlist for you. It
Bro.
already, and she was last. It already had 5 likes.
Yeah,
To be fair, that would be my
that sucks.
my gaslighting flip.
Yeah.
My
that
toxic
sucks.
flip. She's like, how has this got 5 likes? Like, I don't understand.
Yeah.
It's like,
I
how
had
have
to
you
get
waited
pre-approved for you.
until it's got 5
5
likes to
likes.
listen to it. Because all the other hosts
I'm
were
dead.
listening to it.
They click play straight away.
They all followed the link immediately.
Yeah,
Amazing.
like
What
why
you
did it take you
doing?
this
Yeah,
long?
it's got 5 likes before you jumped on.
Why?
What does it say about you?
Facts.
Like, take the pressure off me. That wasn't
That's actually
say about
Are
funny.
you really on it or not? If you're not on it, tell me. I'll send it to someone else. I'll delete the link.
Nah.
That's
These
simple,
guys are
straightforward. I'll delete the link.
these guys are gaslighters for real.
I pulled in early to his mum's birthday party to help set up, and his mum said he was in the room. He was in his room to find out his best friend he was bending.
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 Jesus Christ.
All right.
He had a dream. He was cheating after he spontaneously told me he was going to leave for a work trip to Texas. Found out he swooped a girl up in Arkansas on his way there, the same girl in my dream. crept her Facebook and found his boots in the back of the mirror selfie in the hotel. I saw red.
Oh my
All
God.
these
First of all, these dreams are lies.
Fam, all these women and their fucking
They're
dreams.
liars,
I
bro.
don't know why
Dreams,
people
what's the
read
word
into
I'm looking
dreams
for?
that
They're
much.
There's pro something. I'm sure there's a word pro
What,
something.
premonition?
Premonition is the
Fam,
word I'm looking
dreams
for.
are premonition.
I mean,
These
some
visions
girls
that
do
they're
have
having.
those premonitions.
Bro,
I ain't
it's-
gonna lie to
it's
you,
jarring.
man.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Coming like Sandra Bullock.
Bro, shut up. You're a liar. You hacked his phone or you did something.
Yeah.
You checked his emails or
All this
something.
dream stuff is
Oh,
jargon.
he picked up someone in Arkansas, the same girl from my dream.
From
Shut
my
your
Like,
mouth.
please.
Shut your actual
Like
mouth.
you're not like that.
Mad.
You'd be
Next
rich right
one.
now.
I was watching his daughter, and she told me about how her dad, and some other chick went to Disney World. I didn't even start the conversation, I was just there curling my hair and she was spilling all the beans.
Yeah, kids do be snitches. But maybe she meant, you know,
Watching
I would say, wait, what if it was a long time ago? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, she couldn't talk then, but now she can talk, so she's just telling stories.
his
You know?
daughter.
Damn.
She just started spilling the beans.
Daughter ratted.
My dad took nah. Keep it in check.
Tough.
Whose team are you actually
Bro,
on?
it's tough.
Poor kid.
Sat there curling my hair. She just started running her
Kids
mouth.
just say stuff. They're gassed.
She knew what
They
she was
do.
doing as well. Why would you tell me this?
Yeah.
Oh, true. True.
Sure.
I never took that in.
Oh, facts.
She wanted out of
I
it.
didn't take that
guys.
in.
The new
Facts,
thing's
facts.
better. The new thing's actually better.
The new thing, we're doing up Disney.
Yeah, they did Disney
yeah,
World,
yeah.
yeah.
Who
Obvious
even
facts.
are you? And why are you looking after me?
Facts.
Why are you only here when dad's not here?
Yo,
Question that needs to
facts.
be answered.
Because when dad is with me, there's another thing, and we're doing
We're
up
doing
theme
stuff.
parks. Yeah.
I'm gassed and I'm happy all the time.
Anytime you're here, he leaves.
He leaves
And you're
and there's
curling
just
your
two
hair.
of us in these four walls and it's dark.
Yeah, and it's dark, and you don't play with me. You just sit there doing your hair. Why can't you do your hair at your own house? Why do you have to be
Facts.
here?
Facts. Who
Yo,
are
can
Who
you
even are you?
Can you imagine if the kid was really thinking like that? But you know, kids are smart, so that could like it might not be far from the truth.
You know what? Yeah, my dad doesn't even like you. He actually doesn't like you because he's a cheat.
He told me to tell you this.
He told me to
Yeah.
tell you.
Bye.
After today, yeah, be gone
You're
before he
done.
gets home because it's done.
Be God before he gets home.
Oh my god.
Last one. The girl I went to the same church with befriended one another and she showed me a picture of her boyfriend.
Oh, that's
Damn.
so stressful.
In church.
These men
I mean,
need to. If
least
they're
you
gonna
guys could
cheat, they
just
need
find-
to
They
like
need to do it, like,
international.
find Jesus.
Something.
International.
Could find Jesus together in that situation, man. But guys, let me know if anything like that or even close to that has happened because I don't think these are a little far fetched. The only one that I could see that's like more would probably be more common is the one with the kid because you know kids do love to talk, man. So you never know. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop that like, man. Hit that sub button. I'll see you guys later.